Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to create an event on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to create an event, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. I'm gonna open it in my browser here. Now here in this section, you just have to click on see more and just select events from here. Click on events and here just click on create new event here. Now in this section you can add some photos for your event, and then here you can enter your event name. So for example, I'm gonna enter, let's say, this one here. And once you have entered your event name, you just have to enter the date for your event. For example, I'm gonna select this one, and here just select date or time, and you can also select your time zone. I'm not going to select this yet. Now here just scroll down, and you can select is it in person or virtual. So you can select it's in person or it might be in virtual on your TV. So I'm gonna select this in person, and here you can add location. So let's say I'm gonna use my map here. You can select the exact location where it's located. So I'm gonna select any random location from here. And once you have selected the location, you just have to wait for it until the location saves. And once you have added your location, you can select who can see it. So you can select private or only person who are invited, or you can also select public or in group. I'm gonna select public here. Now here you can enter the details for your event, and then you can also add some co-host here, and you can also repeat this event if this event will be repeated. So there might be daily, weekly, or any custom date you selected. And here in some additional settings, you have multiple settings like who have updated the default settings to allow guests to post to the event show guest list. You can enable it, only hosts can post it in event, or post must be approved by a host, or post and comments selected and potential spam will be held for your review. So once you have done all of these settings, you can add also the photos or just for your event here. Just click on create event, and your event will be created on Facebook. It might be public or it might be private. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.